Hi everyone, we got a lot of message that many people want this please photo here clear stamp. We have clear stamp before but it's now out of stock. Now we developed a please photo here cutting die. We think it looks better. Let's see it. This is a film frame. There are 5 phrases. The first phrase, photo here, it could fit all size album. The second phrase is 2-inch. It fits our mini album to lead stick photos. There are inch and centimeter on it, which could help you know the size easily. 5-inch is most people like use it. The other two sides fit Project Life. One is 4 multiply 3 and the other is 6 multiply 4. All these 5 sides, we also have the photo frame. You could pick one you like or pick the combination. Now the combination has a discount. Another 2 sets practical little 2 die. They are freeze 1/4 inch high. 2 thin, one is love, the other one is happy. Each work like a decoration, use them where you want. Let's see it. Love theme, we have many love and heart phrases, like I love you, in my heart, and so on. Details on our product page. Happy theme is related to festival days. We have like Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and so on. Other is daily like Happy Life and so on.